Myntri Rangbah jylla Conrad K Sangma baar ulang baga Sorkar ke iengskhem pynbha iaki jingtei Iingskul kiba thain Nongkyndong. Nilabu hakamat yak puli puthi bakandong ke basolansar badun pintikna babaro kinyo ekalat. Ulaong habakren jing penhap perda jing rakhi Jubilee Rupa jong St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Penursla East Khasi Hills. Ada fikwa bantung banyo khetno hadin chisnem kumta thung yaki sintiu. Ada fikwa bantung bat khet yuso hadin chiphosnem kumta thung yaudien. Hendila dakwa bandon jing yo nong kabashirta di bantung yaki brio. Ulaong haba pinken mau yakatika kentin kabalasot naga proverb China. Ula pentip bahaduk khatsan persen nakabha tingka kecela jong uniusnem lamang syak pulik puthi kabakot hadu lai hajar rius pa san pesau kelur tingka kabadeiru kamang tingka kabahedo hapadeng kitanat Sorkar baro. Ula angru baka penusla kanong ke skul kabaningkong kabanyo yakane ke jingyarap. Ula penpau ya kejing sungu ya ki Celsian father kibarim bat kibamenta bat kinong yalam jong ke skul kinong hikai bat kinong tre kiblasan dur ya kalawai jong ki kena puli. Ula ai kubleiru ya skul halor kajing dap arpusan snem haga jing 3 minut haga ban ai kajing nang jing start ka bapaka baru la yaro ru ya skul ka bala iengskhem ban sandur ya ki khenna haga liang ka puli puthi bat ka akor ka burang. Minta ka sngi ngim rakhe tang ya kajing dap arpusan snem jong ka higher secondary school. Hindi nadu bala seng menta la jan nyok ho snem ya ka LP section. Kajing ya lenti ka bada kajing len nade kejing treshtam bat kejing bat skhem ya kejing kular ulaong kadbau simbut Myntri Rangbah jylla uba preston tinsong ulayaro ya St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School halor kejing dap arpusan snem hagaban ajing shakri haga puli puthi bol ulaong ba uniu maumer ulong kum ka klipmat jong kejing sngo sarong bat kejing sngo ya ka imlang salang hi pero kawai
25 years journey is not a joke, and today we have just crossed 25 years of age. And 25 years is the prime age we used to call it. It is a prime age. And I'm sure we are looking forward with our journey. And I'm also very sure this school will be able to give the best education not only in Penursla but in the entire river mini area.
And hence I'm so happy to share and to tell you two things. Number one, that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be giving a sum of 35 lakhs for the building from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Second, we realize that the need for higher secondary schools is more because of the pass percentage in the secondary schools. And hence we are coming up with a program which is the final stage of drafting the guidelines where private schools, that means non-government schools, private schools, which could be government aided, based on their performance, based on geographical, issues, the fact that they will be very, interior locations, and other factors, the government intends to support, depending on funds of course, anything between 50 to 100 schools every year to extend their classrooms in higher secondary school. So we are almost at the final stage of drafting the guidelines. We should be able to announce the schools which will be getting this also very soon. And we are looking at a fund of anything between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, again depending on the budget. But roughly that amount we intend to give to the schools so that they can expand the buildings and create more classrooms. Let me assure Father Lucas and the managing committee and the people of the area that this school will be included in that list also. So we will give funds from that scheme also because of the kind of work that you are doing, the difference that you make in the society, and the selflessness, the sacrifice and the commitment with which You have been working for the past decades to bring a difference into the lives of the young students and the people living in this area.